I've previously done a car wash on my Corvette on my channel, and I received some criticism saying I need to step up my car wash games. I understand that I do kind of a basic bitch car wash, but I'm okay with that. I have a 4 bucket method. I have clean and dirty buckets for the paint and for the wheels. My wheel stuff never touches the rest of the car. And I know you can get fancier with the pressure nozzle and the foam and all that stuff. I don't necessarily buy into all that stuff. I'm sure it's great. I just care about get the car clean and don't damage the paint. And I'm confident that this method accomplishes that.